Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about a German fully funded scholarship for the 2025 intake period offered by DAAD, with which you can study in Germany completely for free. There's no age limit, there's no blocked account needed. You don't need to know German to study in Germany, as many scholarship courses are offered in English. Through this scholarship program, not only will your study course be completely free, but you'll even get a monthly allowance that you can use to finance your student life, like buying electronics like a laptop, phone, or other equipment for your studies, and even to pay your rent, your food, and sustain yourself as a student in Germany. You'll require a very low IELTS score of just 6 bands for courses taught in English. Since this is a fully funded scholarship, it's also accepted as proof of financial means at your visa appointment. And that's why you don't need a blocked account, and even if you don't have any funds in your bank, you can take complete advantage of this opportunity. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about the fully funded DAAD scholarship, how you can use this scholarship to live and study in Germany completely for free, the other amazing benefits you'll get, the scholarship duration, the list of available fields of study, the courses you can take, the list of universities offering these courses, the application deadlines for each course offered, the requirements, eligibility criteria, and the step-by-step application process as well. So do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now, because all the information provided here is completely free, and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Let's directly start with details on the fully funded DAAD scholarship. If you didn't already know, public universities in Germany have absolutely no tuition fees, and your study courses will be completely free. However, students still have to spend money on food, rent, study materials, and other living expenses. What the DAAD fully funded scholarship primarily offers you is extra money or stipends every month to finance your student life, along with other benefits as well, so that you can take care of these living expenses with that money. This scholarship is offered for master's and PhD study courses. This money can go into buying equipment for your studies, but it's also meant for you to pay your rent, your food, and sustain yourself so that you can fully dedicate yourself to your studies. It's important to remember that a full scholarship is also accepted as proof of your financial means at your visa appointment, so you don't need a blocked account in this case. Now, how much money will this scholarship program actually pay? Depending on the academic level, monthly payments of 934 euros for master's graduates or 1,300 euros for doctoral applicants are offered every month under the 2025 fully funded DAAD scholarship for international students. As a point of reference, students in Germany can expect to spend anywhere between 850 to 1,200 euros per month on living expenses, so you might even save some of this money based on your lifestyle. Remember that this money is yours to do as you please, whether you want to use it to pay rent or groceries or other living expenses, or for study materials and anything in general that will help you being a full-time student in Germany. Next come the DAAD scholarship program benefits that you can get. The first primary benefit is the stipend offered. Depending on your study course, as explained earlier, master's degree applicants will be paid 934 euros each month, and PhD applicants will be paid 1,300 euros each month for all the expenses that they need to incur. Since you're getting paid every month from this scholarship program, you don't need a German blocked account like you would if you apply directly to universities. So even if you don't have much funds, you can apply for this scholarship program. You'll even receive money for your flight tickets to Germany and back as well. Payments for health insurance, accidents, and civil liability will also be provided. Also, subsidy for monthly rent for all applicants, along with a monthly allowance for accompanying members of your family. This fully funded scholarship is an excellent opportunity to study in Germany and experience European culture. You can use this pathway to build networks and connections with like-minded people from different countries while you're studying in Germany. Coming to the duration of the scholarship programs will be offered. The duration of your master's degree scholarship program will be 12 to 24 months and 36 months for the PhD degree scholarship program for international and German students. Now, can you take your family members on a German student visa? The answer is yes, you can. Your family members can accompany you in Germany during your studies through a special type of visa called the Family Reunion Visa. Family members that are eligible to accompany you during your studies in Germany are your spouse, your children, your parents, and even some extended family members. Their visa will be valid for at least the duration of your studies. Kindly note that citizens of the EU, Liechtenstein, Iceland, Norway or Switzerland don't require any visa to enter Germany due to freedom of movement between Germany and these regions. Now, which fields are included in the DAAD Scholarship Program? Study programs in economic sciences, business administration, political economics, development cooperation, engineering and related studies, regional and urban planning, agriculture and forest system, natural and environmental sciences, medicine and public health, media studies, social sciences, education and law. You can check the courses offered under the above mentioned fields on the official DAAD page, the universities offering them along with the language they are offered in, the degrees offered, the course duration and application deadlines as well. I'll add a link to this list in the description box. Now for the criteria and requirements of the DAAD Postgraduate Scholarship Program for international students. Applicants must have at least a bachelor's degree in an appropriate subject. The last academic degree should have been completed not more than 6 years before. Applicants must have at least 2 years of professional experience. Applicants must be from eligible countries. You can check the list of DAAD eligible countries on the official website here. As you can see, countries like Ukraine, Morocco, Botswana, Ghana, Madagascar, Costa Rica, Mexico, Panama, Brazil, Lebanon, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, China, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand and so many more can apply completely for free for this fully funded DAAD scholarship program. I'll add a link to this list in the description box so you can check if your country is listed here. You'll also need a signed DAAD scholarship application form with the current date. You can get the DAAD application form here. I'll add a link to this form in the description box as well. Personally signed EU format CV with the current date. You can reach out to us via email if you don't know how to make the CV and cover letter. Personally signed letter of motivation with reference to your current occupation and choice of postgraduate programs. They should not be more than 2 pages with the current date. Letter of recommendation from your current employer. The letter must have a letterhead, a signature and an official stamp and must be of the current date. Certificates of employment from the employers that prove a minimum of 2 years of relevant working experience after your bachelor's degree at the time of application. Regarding language proficiency, you need an English language test through IELTS or TOEFL if your study course is in English, and a German language test through TestDaF or Goethe if your study course is in German. You need copies of your academic degree and copies of academic transcripts including your grading scale and a certified translation if your documents are not in English or German. Now we come to how to apply for the DAAD scholarship program. The first step is to check all the available scholarship programs on the DAAD database and select the one you wish to apply to and then click on Submit Application. Next, fill out the online application form on the official DAAD website which I showed you earlier. Again, I've added a link to this form in the description box. Next, you must attach all required documents with your online application and that's it, you're done. A selection committee will now select eligible candidates and send them the DAAD scholarship application portal link through their email. Kindly note that you don't need to apply separately to any university. You just have to send across the DAAD application as explained above, and DAAD will handle your entire application and enrollment process themselves since this is their scholarship program. Alright guys, so that was all about the fully funded DAAD scholarship program. For more immigration and travel tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your application.